Hey there! So my name is Tabby and I am an artist. Like a lot of artists, I decided to open my own Etsy shop. See, I make stickers, I make prints, I make keychains. A lot of artists do. It's like a very inexpensive way to sell your art. If somebody can't afford, an original piece that's maybe $50, $100, a sticker is like a really happy middle ground. And I decided to open my own Etsy shop, but I noticed that even though I had it open for months, nobody was buying anything. What? Why wasn't anybody buying anything? I would check it and I would check it and I'd be like, see, I put in all the effort of signing up and putting my listings on there and just sitting back and waiting, thinking, okay, somebody's gonna buy something. I just need to be patient. I just need to wait. But clearly something was not right on my end. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how you can make sure your Etsy listings are up to par. So the first thing I want you to do if you have an Etsy shop, or if you're thinking about starting one, is look at the pictures that you're going to put on your website. I'm going to put mine on the screen right here. See, after months of not looking at my site and then coming back, I realized, oh my god, these pictures are not very good. The contrast isn't good. The stickers just kind of blend into the background. It's hard to see what's going on. I don't blame anybody for looking at it and being like, yeah, I don't want that. It doesn't look like a high quality product, and that doesn't reflect well on myself, and it probably doesn't reflect well on you if your pictures are not high quality. So really pay attention to how your photos look. Now, I took these at my desk, I turned on my light, and for some reason the glare is atrocious. They just didn't turn out good. They're not great. So I did some digging. I looked at other people's stickers on Etsy and I went, what are they doing that I'm not doing? What's something they're doing that I could incorporate into my Etsy shop? I noticed that some of them were taking photos outside. I saw grass in the background. I saw wood. I saw just nature. And I was like, oh, I should try natural lighting. That might be a good idea. Now, I didn't have anything fancy. I literally just stepped outside onto my balcony. Here's a little video. Literally just went outside and I put my stickers on the ground, and immediately I noticed a difference in the lighting. My stickers didn't look blurry anymore. They didn't have this weird glare going on. They look so much better. So I thought to myself, okay, I'm gonna take some photos outside and we'll see where this goes. So I took the photos and realized these are awesome. I really don't have to edit them at all. They look great. And I went ahead and changed my old dusty photos for these newer ones. And I can tell right off the bat that it's so much easier to tell what's going on in the photos. I'm not second guessing. I'm not going, what am I looking at? It's very evident what I'm selling, and that's something you should pay attention to in your photos. Is it easy to tell what you're selling? Yes or no? Okay, good. So after I did that, I realized, what if I added something a little extra to show people what the stickers can do? So my second tip for you, if you're starting an Etsy shop or you're trying to edit your Etsy shop to look better, is include videos of your product in use. I took a video of my boyfriend's water bottle, which has a bunch of my stickers on it, which makes me so happy. And I just wanted to show off the beautiful coloration of the stickers, how high quality they are in the light. So just having that extra video that people can look at might help them determine whether or not it's a product they want to buy. So one, make sure your photos are up to par, make sure they look good, make sure you can tell what they are, it's clearly visible, it's cropped. Don't have a giant picture with a tiny little area of what your thing is that you're selling and people have to zoom in on it. Please don't do that. Please crop it. Make sure the lighting's good, make sure there's no glare, make sure it's not fuzzy or blurry, and yeah, then your photos are good. and include some kind of video, something where someone's using the product and they can visualize, they can imagine, what can I use this product for? And after that, just make sure that your Etsy looks approachable. I didn't add a bio or anything, so I went ahead and added a tiny little bio so that people know what my shop is about. And yeah, those are my 3 tips for updating your Etsy. I am so glad that I took a look at it and updated it, and hopefully it looks better to you guys as well. What do you think of my updated photos and video on my Etsy? Do you have any comments? Do you have any suggestions that I didn't mention in this video that you think people would really benefit from? I'm so curious to hear what you have, because I have not been doing Etsy for very long. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I really hope this was educational or informative for you guys. All right, bye.